MagicPunk is first and foremost a world-building exercise. It's a high fantasy world with sci-fi elements. I have a few rules. First, I wanted to eliminate out steam and fire being utilized as much as possible. Instead of having a world powered by normal locomotive processes, I wanted one powered by magic. And second, no humans, because my third rule, everything must have pointy ears, doesn't allow for it. There are 4 main races which serve as the root of all civilizations: elf, dwarf, ogre, and fae. When they intermingle, we get races like gnome, goblin, sprite, imp, and troll. The more removed from the root branch a race is, the more prejudice they receive. There are dragons, but we'll get to them another time. My initial thought was to imagine a world where technology was democratized. The rich and poor aren't separated by access to tech or wealth inherently, but by basic necessities, water being the blue gold of the land of Galedawn. The magical power source, an abundant blue crystal called Inferal, energizes vehicles, lights, blimps, and spaceships, can also be welled by skilled mages called infizzers. This means mages are capable of producing their own, quote, electricity, harnessing it for combat purposes and powering their own homes. But more than that, mages could potentially steal vehicles or ride their own. The mages who choose to do this are rapscallion delinquents, often referred to unlovingly as magic punks.